everyone, this is Maria, and today I'm back with another fun toy unboxing. Today we have cupcake bears. I purchased these at the 99-cent only store. I love that store, and these were only $1.99, which I think is a terrific price. And so there are 12 in all to collect in Series 1. This is Series 1, and I only bought 6, so I will show you those today. I haven't opened any of these, so I don't know what they look like. But I will tell you that I just made another video with cupcake princess dolls. And so it's the same concept, the same idea, except those are dolls, princess dolls, and these are plush bears. And so they come with different scents. And let's see, they're listed right here. You can see grape, vanilla, strawberry, and this one's chocolate. And I don't know what this one is. I think this is vanilla. And it's hard to see what this one is. Oh, caramel, it's caramel. And these are for ages 3 and over. It's recommended for 3 and over. And let's see, you can see some of the bears here. And they have really cute names like pumpkin spice, strawberry cream, berry frosty, berry mocha. And this one says warm sugar vanilla, peppermint hot chocolate, lemon chiffon, and cool lime. And just really, really cute. And then there's pictures of all of them right here. And again, this is Series 1. So let's get started and let's open up these cupcake bears because I think we're in store for a lot of cuteness overload here. And so I'm going to take my scissors. I have my scissors and I love that they're pink. And I'm just going to put them right here and just snip through that. You may not even need to do that. I just did that. And then let's go ahead and open this one. And first of all, let me move these back. So we have plenty of room to display them. Here's the first one. And I love that icing, that green icing. So let's go ahead and take this out. Oh, look, it pops out with this plastic. There's sides here. There we go. Oh, look at this. Isn't that cute? And they're individually wrapped. And so the cupcake dolls were not wrapped individually like this. So this is kind of cool. And it says made by Premium Toys. I love this aqua color. I just love that. And so let's go ahead and take off the wrapping. Let's see. I'm going to take my scissors a little bit and just get that started. And so let's go ahead and do that. We're going to unwrap the plastic. There we go. And then we could lift this plastic lid. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Oh my gosh, this is like foam. And so, but there's a stiffness to it. So it's not like really cheaply made. This is really nice. And look at this. It has a little cup. So if you want to put it right back in, and then you could put the lid right back on. I really like that idea. So I'm going to save that. And so this is fabric. And this is really soft and squishy. Oh, look at this. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're going to pull this down just like I did with the dolls. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is way too cute. I'm already in love. Oh, look how adorable. So you could see the cupcake part goes inside just like that. So there you go. And then let's put her little apron down. Oh, she's so sweet. And very soft and plushy. Oh, super, super velvety soft. There's a little tag there. Oh, I really like her. Let's put her here. Isn't she cute? And then look at the icing. That's her little hat, her bonnet, and there's some lace on here. Oh, yes. I am in love. 2 thumbs up or 2 paws up, right? So cute. This little fabric is so adorable. It's got like little daisies, little flowers. It reminds me of old-timey fabric, like old-fashioned fabric. So cute. So let's open up the second one. So here's our next cupcake. And so let's go ahead and open this. Now this paper is a little bit further up. So I'm just going to put my scissors very carefully and just snip that. Let's see if I can get it going. There we go. And so let's go ahead and unwrap that. and we're going to lift the top. I think I'm just going to twist it a little bit. There we go. And let's go ahead and take our cupcake bear out. I'm going to set this aside. Look how cute. I love this. Now this is part of the dress. So we know the dress is this color. And then look at this, the lemony hair. We know that's the hair, right? And this orange is so pretty, isn't it? So let's go ahead and we're gonna pull the cupcake part down. Oops, there's her little face. Oh, so cute. I love polka dots. And so let's push this right underneath. There we go. You could just keep pressing with your thumbs until you get it just the way you want it. And look how cute. Oh, it looks like she's waving to you. Isn't that cute? So adorable. Again, I love the lace. I love the little frosting on top. I love this whole idea. So let's go ahead and do this pink one next. Okay, so to save a little time, I went ahead and unboxed it and I unwrapped that plastic that was shrink wrapped around the cupcake, but we still have this plastic container. And so let's go ahead and remove that. And let's remove the chocolate cupcake. Oh my gosh, this looks yum, yum, delicious, doesn't it? And so let's go ahead and turn this in. Oh my gosh, look at the little bear. Look at the little bear. Oh my gosh, it's got this little pink color. Oh, she is so cute. Oh, she looks like she's blushing for the camera. It's okay. You don't have to be afraid. These are friends. And so, but anyways, you guys, these are adorable. Okay, so now we have the blue one. Look at this. And let's go ahead and take the plastic lid off. Whoops. There we go. There we go. And let's set that aside. Oh, wow. Look how pretty. Look how white this is. So pretty and brand new. And then this blue frosting. Oh, wow. So let's go ahead. Let's see what we have. Oh, we have, look at this. This little white plush bear in this blue dress. She looks like she's going to school, doesn't she? That looks like a little school dress. Just adorable. I love this. I love the blue icing. I love her blue dress. And I love these little aprons that each of them come with. Just so sweet. Oh my gosh. I really, really love these. And so let's go ahead and see which bear is inside of this one. Okay, this one looks really cute. Look at the red and the polka dot, the red with the white polka dot and the white icing, the vanilla icing. Yum. And so let's go ahead and remove this lid. Oh my gosh, these are so cute, you guys. I can hardly stand it. Just love these. Okay, so let's turn this out. Oh, we have another polka dotted dress. This time it's red and it's a little brown bear. I think all of our bears are really different. And so I really love that. The variety. Look how cute. Oh, so sweet. I just love this. Yep, my cute-o-meter is working overtime. Way cute. I think these are definitely worth $1.99 at the 99-cent store. Okay, so let's open one more. So here it is, the very last one. And of course, it's chocolate. Yum, yum, yum. And look how cute this little pink cup is. So let's go ahead and remove the lid. I love these, you guys. Love, love, love. And look at this. Oh my gosh, you want a bite? That's what it looks like. You want to take a bite right out of that, right? I know I do. Chocolate, I just love chocolate, you guys. And so let's go ahead and remove this. Oh, so cute. It almost makes me sad to think this is the last one. I have a feeling I'll be buying more of these at the 99-cent only store. Oh, look, you guys. It's a yellow plush bear. We got all these different ones. I love the fabric. So we're going to press with our thumbs in here. And so there we go. You can see that I've just pressed in there and sort of puffed this out a little bit. And look at this little yellow bear. Oh, look at the way she tilts her head. She is sweet. And I love the little lace again, the chocolate, of course. She is just perfect in every way. I just love her. So before we end this toy unboxing, how about we have a parade of bears, cupcake bears. So we have this one right here. Look how sweet. Look at her dress. She wants to model it for you. So cute. And then this one with the polka dots. Oh my gosh. There is just something special about every single one of these bears. And then we have this one with the polka dots. Oh my gosh, so, so cute. And their faces are embroidered too. And then we have this one right here with the little blue dress and the little blue icing hat. Just so adorable. Love these. And then look at this green one. She is so sweet. She is just so sweet. And then we have the pink one here. Oh, I love this little one. Look at her little pink plush fur. Aw, she's blushing. And so she is adorable too. Oh, look at these cupcake bears. You can tell they're already besties for life. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the comments below, let me know which one of these bears is your favorite. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. So I have to show you how easy it is to put your little cupcake bears back into the plastic containers. And so you're just going to take your thumbs and fold this up, and look how easy they put back together. And so let's go ahead and put the lid on. See how super simple? Let's do another one. I was just really amazed at how super simple this was. You can see the bear peeking out of the cupcake, so cute. And so let's go ahead and pop that one right in here. And so let's go ahead and put the little bear inside. And again, let's go ahead and snap this on. Super simple. Look at that. So you'll keep them nice and neat and clean this way. This is really fun. So here they all are, nice and snug in their little cupcake containers. And so that literally just took me a couple of minutes to put them all back inside. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.